we are having a bit of a situation here.
About the same 117. So could it be maybe a little too much air? Sorry,
Yeah, they need to be 100. They need to be 100. So every 114, 117, that's what it is. Yeah. When summer comes on, you put it on your car, just maintain it. As it gets cold, I'm not gonna have that air.
Yeah. Okay. So I can try letting a little air out then and see if that helps.
Absolutely, yeah. That's gonna be part of the problem.
Okay. Give that a shot. See what happens.
All right, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
You bet.
So he's telling us to release some hot air out of the tire.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so today we are having a bit of a situation here where our tires are overheating. As you can hear right in the background is that little beeping sound. Right now we have like our tires heating, so I can show you guys right now what the deal is with our trailer. So as you can see, like right here, right there, you can see this is our back tire right now, so it's overheating. So Jeremiah's checking all the pressure on all the tires at the moment, because since it's overheating, we need to either release air and also stop where we're at, which is we're somewhere in Colorado on the lowland pass. We just passed the tunnel, and yeah, we're just cooling off the tires. Never had this issue before. Now that we've passed the tunnel, now everything's gonna go downhill from here, but we started having the issue going up, so we weren't braking or anything like that. And earlier it was this back tire on the left, and then we had the two front up here, the front and the middle, also overheating. But now it's calmed down, and the only issue now that we're having is the back. So yeah, you can see Jeremiah's checking the pressure. It's really hot outside right now, but yeah, he's checking the pressure on not just the one that's overheating, but all of them. So he's just double checking with his tire pressure gauge that he has. And then now it's telling us it's not the back now, it's the middle. Now that one's overheating too. Oh, and actually no, it's not overheating. It's creating a low pressure. I think it's because Jeremiah right now is I think what he's doing right now is that he's checking the gauge, so he's releasing some air. The what?
Get down.
What did you say?
What?
Say it again.
I said that the tire pressure is less than it was.
Okay.
So we will see how it goes from here.
Okay.
See if it'll reach again.
I mean, we're going downhill now, so
Yeah. So you should big brake a lot.
which is what I've been doing.
Yeah. So I guess this is the life of truckers. You go from tires overheating because it's too hot and whatnot, and hot flashes.
It's hail.
Vegas, going into Colorado, going down the pass, and this.
This is all in 30 minutes. All in 30 minutes. Like, it was hot, and then 1 minute it's like crazy rain. At least our tires aren't overheating.
Yeah, at least our tires are overheating.
Now we just gotta drive like, we're driving like 30 miles an hour right now. it's like, well, actually, our thermometer says it's like 63, 65, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot warmer.
You can hear the truck pushing through the water that's cooling on the interstate. Dying down a little bit now, though.
Huh?
It is dying down a little bit now, though.
Yeah, it is.
Having fun?
Yippee. Our tires are fine now. So yeah, bit of a small video with the problem that we had for today, and yeah. So bit of a crazy weather, from hot to out of nowhere raining and hail and stuff. So the climate change is going crazy. Right, honey? It's climate change! So, yeah, we'll end the video here. We need to head back to Utah and get our tractor fixed, our APU fixed, our tires checked. What else, honey? We need all sorts of stuff that needs to get checked. But we can't do that right now. But, you know, we don't have the time for it.
Check in? It's supposed to be a drop and hook, yeah.
Yeah, well, anyways, we'll stop for now. And,
Okay.
yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, right on. Between
Bye,
2 and
guys.
3, you said? Okay.